Hello and welcome to Larissa's Kitchen. Today I'm tackling a viewer request, and it's a special one. Miss Velveteen asked me to use chocolate and strawberries in something for Valentine's Day, which just also happens to be her birthday. While it's a couple days late, it's no less spectacular. Happy birthday, Miss Velveteen, from all of us at Larissa's Kitchen. In case you couldn't tell from the picture, I'm making strawberry chocolate shakes to help her recover from her birthday festivities. If you've never made shakes before, they're very easy. It's just ice cream, milk, and whatever you're flavoring your shake with. For us, we're using strawberries, and I'm not adding the chocolate into the shake because that's just going to turn it gray. But I did rim the glass with chocolate, and I have some chocolate-coated strawberries for garnish. Let's make this shake. Happy birthday! Thank you for visiting Larissa's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.